creating more of working on the look. So first of all, if I were to render out a frame, get the render dialog, everything looks good, I'll hit render. What we get is something very white, okay, like extremely white. What I'll do is I'm going to add in a light, because by default, if we don't, I'm just doing a standard light, if we don't specify lights, then it illuminates itself. So by specifying lights, it will then have like its own light, like it will rely on the lighting that we set up. So here I'm just creating like one light for the time being. We can create more if we like, but I've added that in. Go back to rendering, environment. Here I can specify at the very top source lights. By clicking on that, adding in the light, it now knows to use this light here on anything listed here, like any of these particle systems. By choosing render now, it still looks the same. However, it is in fact using that light, just the illumination is still too bright. So what I'll do now is I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and we have the color. If I click on this, it's very much like the AFC. It has a beginning value and an end value. So if I wanted to, I could change this to red. Just right click and choose key color. I could set the red, and I could set this to like more of a green. I could specify this color to be more of a blue, just as an example. Now what actually happens is when it initially gets born, it's red, then it cycles through to blue, and then finally to green at the very end, based on the color we set up. And so this is based on particle age. If I like, I can right click on the PA and change this to emitter velocity, so that way based on how quick it is, it might be a different color, and then as it slows down it becomes the base color. I'm going to change that